So hitting the power button turns on everything at once. On high. It's a little touchy. There we go. And then it has 4 settings, 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. And the light. So the light dims if you hold the button. Which I think is kind of cool. That did seem to affect the fan speed though. Okay.
So I just got this fan, putting it on the roof of my T3 Tandem Gazelle tent. It's quite a large tent. And I'm laying down, all the way down here. I can feel the breeze. It's extremely quiet. As far as the remote is concerned, if I turn the light on, it does work. Off. You do have to aim it right at it, but it does work. And is definitely cooling off this larger space.
Okay, so I got this portable fan, portable camping fan. There's LED lights and swivel base on it and the whole deal. Okay. And I got this through Amazon.
Wasn't really expecting much from this being so small as it was, but this will work just fine out there. The fan speed is crazy on it. It's just compact and portable. For those Canopy tents out there in the hot summers, this is